Hi, American German Japanese car, 15020 Oxford Street, Sherman Hills, California, 9411. 2012 Audi A3 or Q7 or RS3, many models. Driver's side, window, power window switches, $35. The part number is 4F0959851H. Power window switches for 2012 Audi A3 or many years and many models, Q7, $35. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. Meet or beat any eBay price, XM item machine poses video. 2012 Audi A3 or Q7 or many models. Power window master switches, $35. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.